Hello, my dear students, how are you? Now, lesson 3, understanding area. With this lesson, we have to find the area of simple shapes. Firstly, let us to know what is area. Area is the number of square units needed to cover a shape or a region, okay? Now, with this example, we have to find perimeter then area in order to find the difference between them, okay? Now here we have the shape. Now to find perimeter we have to count how many units into these sides, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's 6 units. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should be 6 also because because into a rectangle each pair of opposite sides are equal in length, right? And here this side, how many units? 1, 2, 2 units. So here 2 units. Now to find the perimeter, we have to add these 4 sides, right? 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2. So perimeter equals 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2. Now 6 plus 6 equals 12 plus 2 equals 14 plus 2 equals 16. So perimeter equals 16 square units. Okay, so that's how we find the perimeter. We just count how many units into these two sides and into these two sides, then add them all together. That's how we find the perimeter. Now what about the area? We said that area is the number of square units needed to cover a region. Area inside all the units, all the square units inside the shape, okay? So to find the area, we have to count all the square units inside the shape. So area of this rectangle or of this shape equals how many units into this shape. So we have to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So area equals 12 square units. Now, if you see here, perimeter equals 16 square units and area equals 12 square units. Now here, these are different, right? Perimeter is different about area. Why? Because when we find perimeter, we just find these 4 sides and add them all together, but area we just count all the units inside the shape, okay? Inside the shape. Now please go with me to page 428. By the way, page 427, we just have one question, exercise A, and you have to find the area by counting the units inside the shapes that you have. So you can do it by yourself. Now go with me to page 428, exercise A. Match each figure with its area. Okay, here's the figures that we have, and we have to match it with the best area. How? Go to the first one. The first one, what's the area? Is all the square units inside the shape. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's the area? 6 square units. So the first one with 6 square units. The second one, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many square units inside the shape? 4 units. So 4 square units. And here we have how many? 11, 12. So 12 square units. Okay, so when we want to find the area, we just count the square units inside the shape. Okay, now please go with me to page, the same page. Here's the shape that we have. Now to find the area, we have to count all the square units that we have. So how many square units do we have on the first one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many square units? 8. Area equals 8 units. Number 2, here, how many square units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 square units. So area equals 8 square units. And here, number 3, how many square units do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 square units. So area equals 12 square units. Okay, now please go with me to page 429, problem solving. We will do question number 1. I will read it. Julian has a photo. Its shape is shown in the grid. Find the area of the photo in square units. Look at the shape that you have beside the question. In order to find the area, you have to count all the square units inside the shape. Okay, look, this is the shape that we have. We have to count all the square units inside it. So if we count the units inside this shape, it will be area, it will be 35 square units. Okay, so area equals 35 square units. Now go with me to vocabulary check. Complete the sentence. A is a square with sides the length of 1 unit each. What is it? With the best word, it should be a square unit is a square unit is a square with sides the length of 1 unit each. Okay, so a square unit is a square with sides the length of 1 unit each. So, okay, my dear students, that's all about our lesson today. Thank you for listening to me. Bye.